Hey guys, it's Melissa. I'm doing a tutorial today on creating font files in your Silhouette program. Today we're going to be using a Mac computer in version 3 of the software. We are using the font Golly Gosh, available now from fontbundles.net in the current font bundle this month. This word I've just typed out just as it comes whenever you download the font. Now I want to teach you how to change your graphics from this to this, where you have all the nice fun swirls and additional little effects in your words. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, I'll go ahead and delete this, is locate our text tool. This is going to be located to the left of your screen, or you can also locate it up here at the top of your screen. Either way, if you click it on the left, you'll actually get the cursor bar that pops up for you to type. So we're going to type the word hello. Now I'm hitting Command A to highlight the entire word, and I'm going to go over here into our box and change the font name to Golly Gosh. So we have our word typed out. Now, in order to change the word from looking like this into having these additional glyphs, we need to go into our font book and select the actual glyphs that we want to use. So the first thing we'll do is highlight the letter that we want to change. So we're going to change the O. Then when we open font book, you'll search up here at the top right hand corner for the font that you're using. I already have Golly Gosh pulled up on the screen. And then you can scroll through and see the glyphs that are available for you to use. So we're going to look through here and find an O that we would like to change that one to. And it might take a second to really scroll through all the options, as there are a lot that are nice and available to use. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight this one and hit Command C to copy. And then we'll go over here. This is already highlighted, so all we need to do is hit Command V to paste. So now we have this really pretty swirly letter O. Now we're going to change this H as well. So we've already highlighted the H, and we'll just go over here and see if we can find an H that we want to use. And this one's different than the one I used in the sample, but this will work to show you. Hit Command C, or yes, Command C to copy, and then you can right click and hit paste, or you can hit Command V to paste. Okay, so these are two different examples of what the word could look like when you're done. Now you see this H is separate from the E, LLO, where these are all going to be welded together. If you were to send your file to the printer right now, or to the Silhouette to cut, all of these red lines are cut lines. So basically, this H will cut into the E. You'll see in some of the groups where people talk about how somebody hasn't welded the file, and that's the reason why you're missing gaps between your letters. It's super easy to fix. All you need to do is select your whole entire word. You're going to right click and hit weld. Now it's all one solid word. And up here at the top, there's a fill color window. If you click that, you can change the color. And sometimes people will ask why there's still red lines when they have changed the color. So what you need to do is go up here to the line color window and change that color as well. Okay guys, I hope that answered your questions about accessing glyphs in the Silhouette program. If you have any additional questions, feel free to ask below in the comments. Thanks for watching.